What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Slack. Now this is going to be straightforward, so let's have it. Enabling dark mode on Slack enhances your user experience by reducing eye strain and providing a sleek interface. Whether on desktop or mobile, switching to dark mode is quick and easy, allowing you to maintain focus during long work sessions while enjoying a visually appealing environment. So first, let's go ahead and open up Slack on our device. And from here, let's tap on our profile icon and go to Preferences. Now from this one, you can go ahead and look at Look and Feel and tap on Dark Mode. So here you can set it to On, and after that your Slack is going to be in dark mode. Alright, so this is how you can set Slack in dark mode. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.